Working for Doverco, a packaging automation company, is not always easy because I always get the question on what exactly does that mean. So I decided to film this video and bring you guys with me to the office to show you guys what I do and what exactly does Doverco do for the packaging industry. So this video was filmed when we had just moved into our new office in Doverco, and so things have greatly changed since then, but I'm giving you guys a quick behind the scenes on what exactly we do at Doverco. So packaging automation is basically the process of using machines and softwares to do things that you would normally do manually to become more efficient, smarter in your process, stay compliant, and also stay consistent. It helps to reduce waste and also reduce your operators' injuries. And overall, it does save on costs and it improves the company's sustainability practices. And the machines are generally just there to help boost your profits. And so what I do at Doverco, I take care of their online marketing. So that has to do everything with social media, their analytics. I also take care of helping with promotions and their website. They just launched their new website. And so it's been really fun learning a lot about automation. There's a lot of things I did not know. The fact that there's robotic equipment that can wrap products for you. I also got to learn that every product that we buy and consume is basically coded by a coding and marking machine, and their partnership with Marquem Image is one that has taught me the most about product automation and packaging. And so they basically have a bunch of machines that can code lot numbers, expiry dates, and directly code marketing messages on products. And their new products, that is the Smart Laser, which is a laser coding technology, is the one that I think is definitely going to change the game when it comes to product coding. It removes any ink, any label. It's also really fun because you can add their new Colos software, which makes it really easy to track any product recall and basically have all your machines work together on one software. And you can even track it on your phone and handle any QR codes. These are a bunch of companies that have been working with Marquem Image. And then they also have their plastic band automatic wrapping machines, which I think are very underrated on the market right now, but they have the ability to change things drastically. There's so many possibilities with these machines. I had the chance to get a training with them online, and I learned so much about how one machine can do it all. They can wrap with paper, with plastic. It can wrap any long items, irregular shapes and round shapes. It even has a touch screen. You can handle the wrapping either automatically or with your foot with a little handle. And it's just really user friendly and you can customize everything. Then they have one of my favorite machines that Doverco has is the Sfera from Atlanta, just because it's so fun to see it run on its own. So it's a robotic stretch wrapper. And then they have the amazing auto bagging machines from Sealed Air, which can be also added with automatic label placement on your recycled bags. And Sealed Air has been a company that has changed the game when it comes to shipping packaging. They also created bubble wrap, if you guys didn't know, and they're just a great one for e-commerce and retail companies. Then we have Magliner. We've loved working with Magliner products because they're extremely reliable and they're also customizable. You can add and remove parts on any of their lift machines, and they have lifting machines for stairs, and it basically makes it really easy for your operators to handle any material handling and to carry big products without having any strain on them. And we really love working with Magliner because they're super reliable and our customers love their machines. One thing that I also love about Doverco is their approach to their packaging analysis and how they treat their customers. So they do a lot of on-site visits, and they also offer free trials and free testing, and you can basically try any machine that you want before you buy it, and they'll help you get a bunch of ideas on ways to save and ways to become more sustainable. And we have monthly trainings on every new technology and new changes in the industry, from our Toronto team to our Montreal team, and it's been really fun working with them.